Hi everyone, and welcome back to another video. In today's video, let's just jump right into it and talk about what sets this detox apart from all the others. So I'm going to be using just 3 simple ingredients. They are powerful ingredients to help jumpstart my week supercharged with energy. I'm going to be using pineapple to satisfy my sweet tooth, watercress to help my body burn fat throughout the week, help my digestive system, and also decrease inflammation. Since I've been working out 6 days a week, these 31-year-old knees said, hold on now, slow down, baby. Anyways, I'm also going to be using limes for freshness. These are key limes, by the way. This drink is supercharged, super hydrating for the skin as well. And as we get more into the spring and summer months, my body and skin will be loving this recipe and thanking me later. Without further ado, let's get right into it. The first ingredient I'm going to be using is pineapple. Not only does it taste delicious, but it's loaded in antioxidants, which means it's great for the skin. It can aid in treating acne, sun damage, and even helps tones blemishes. I personally like to use pineapple juice to help me fight inflammation because I do tend to feel it on heavy leg days at the gym and my knees. So drinking pineapple juice usually helps me ease my knee inflammation. I be trying to get my mom to drink these juices since she suffers from hypertension and pain in her body. But did you know that there's a detox juice to cure most illnesses like diabetes, high blood pressure, autoimmune diseases, and so much more? If you made it to this point in the video, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and like this video so that it can reach others across this platform with whatever they need help with, whether it's diabetes, whether it's just replacing store-bought juices with more authentic tasting juices, or whether it's to heal anything within the body or even inflammation or just looking for clear skin. This video has endless benefits, and with just simple ingredients like pineapple, microgreens, and a lime, like you can't beat that. So go ahead and share this post. Get it to the people who are looking for it so that we can go ahead and help each other out in this community. Okay, you guys, so I'm using my microgreens of choice, and I decided to use watercress for the first time because watercress has endless possibilities, and there's so many different ways you can work with watercress. And I have been trying to get my hands on watercress for months, but the area that I live in, everybody is really health conscious, and apparently watercress was in high demand because, baby, it was sold out everywhere. And when I say that, I mean that. So when I finally saw watercress in Sprouts, I had to get it because I was about to let this pass, okay? This too will not pass without me getting my hands on it. So what I did was just rinse my greens off. I went ahead and let it or patted it dry on a paper towel just to get any excess water out. And now we're gonna throw our greens in the juicer first because it is very soft. So when it comes to Nama juicer, you want to put the softer ingredients on the bottom and then the harder ingredients on the top just to get the most out of your juice, okay? You want that hard substance to go ahead and help get the soft ingredients extracted better. So just to put this in better terms, for lack of words, if you was to put the greens at the top, y'all, you would not be getting any of that goodness. So the microgreens are necessary to go at the bottom. I just want to talk about for a minute why I love the Nama juicer. It is not just the fact that it's pretty quiet, but it's the fact that you can literally throw something in this juicer and walk away. Y'all, I was stressed the fact that I am a busy person. So when I saw this juicer on the market, I had to grab and go. And it is a bit pricey, but guess what? It was worth every penny. And I mean that when I say that. So I like the juicer because it's quiet, and unlike any other juicer, I can really just bulk juice in a fraction of the time than a typical masticating juicer. So, y'all, let's get into the pulp. A lot of people ask me, what do I do with the pulp when I'm done juicing? So, if you have any farm animals around like I do, I live in a very small city where people have chickens in the backyard, pigs, they have farms, horses, goats, you name it, it's around here. And so I typically save my pulp in a plastic container. I refrigerate it overnight, and I typically drop it off to one of my neighbors who has like a pig or even chickens like pulp. So yeah, it takes absolutely no time to clean up with the normal juicer as well. And if you would like to see me do a video on the cleanup process, just leave a comment down below and let your girl know. Anyways, I just want to thank you guys so much for watching this video. I know y'all are enjoying the detox recipes, especially as my ladies are looking to get snatched for the summer, and summer is right around the corner. So, love y'all so much. Don't forget to like this video to help it reach and help so many other vibrant souls. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.